Alright, let's build Ash. This is gonna be the bottom piece. This one we have two, is gonna be on the side. So let's build the first one right here. And then the other piece on the other side. Just like so. And then this is the top piece. So we're gonna paste it on the top. There you go, the cube. Then this piece is in the back. So just simply place it there. Perfect. Now we got this piece on the back. So simply follow the color and clip on the back. There you go. Now we have the cube. Now let's do the face. So this piece is the face, and then this is together. Okay, so this you will see a C. We're gonna build a C. So this goes to the back. And clip it on. And then we're gonna add it to the face. So simply paste it on the top. There you go. Then we're gonna come to this piece for the top. This one with the 3 beads, put in the center. Just like that. Now we have this with the center piece. And we're gonna use this one and put it right in the center. Okay? And then we got these 2 little ones right here and put onto the side to fill up the hole. The other one too. Now we got this, and you see the green button here? Place it on the top. Just like so. We got the face and that. Then let's do the head and the hair. So here, this piece, and then this piece. But let's use this one and then put on the top the 2 holes. Place it here. Then you see a little hole. So now this one, you're gonna insert it in that little hole. Oops, the other side. So it's gonna look like this. And then here comes the hair. The little 3 dots to the side. You can see the hole there. There you go. And then even out on the other side. Alright, you see the hair sticking out, the curly hair. Then comes to the back. Just fill it up on the hole in the back. It's always a little challenging sometimes. Yay. Okay, one more. Okay, after a little struggle, we got this here. The hair. Can you see? So now we're gonna build the bottom. So first we're gonna take this one. This is the centerpiece. And then these 2 we got right here. The other side piece. So let's connect them by connecting this on one side. And then the other one will go on to the other side. Now you see that. The centerpiece is gonna go to the bottom to connect them and the center. You can see it. Then we're gonna add this one on one side. So you will see the little hole here. We're gonna put the little dot to connect. So now you should have this on one side. And we're gonna add the other piece to close it up on the other side. So you see the little clip right here. And then, there we go. Now it looks like this. The body. And then we're gonna use the centerpiece to close the top. So it should look like this. The white goes up and then the blue on the back. This is the hands, the arms. Put right in the center. Use this one with the skin color facing front. There we go. Now it comes to the leg, and then we're just gonna use the front part and then insert it to that one. So just like this. Now it comes to the Pokeball, and then you can see the 4 dot coming out, and then the 4 holes here. And just, yay! Now we got the body. Comes back with the head, and then just add them in, and you got Ash. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!